Crypto Pirates Daily News, July 22, 2021. Latest news headlines. The GoMining use case for solving crypto mining issues. Ethereum's price decline may potentially benefit PC gamers. I might pump but I don't dump, says Musk, as Bitcoin recovers. Digital assets are increasing in popularity, and MasterCard join in with USDC. 6 benefits of cryptocurrency exchanges. The GoMining use case for solving crypto mining issues. Cryptocurrency mining is a method that allows someone to mine new cryptos and add them to a network. This is accomplished by solving a series of mathematical problems. Mining has been a vital element of the cryptocurrency sector since its inception, and it has helped keep the crypto market alive. Despite the huge importance of mining to the crypto community, it has received several critiques, particularly from environmentalists and government authorities. As a result, it has become critical to resolve these crypto mining issues and get everyone back on the same page. The GoMining company claims to offer a solution to the challenges associated with traditional mining processes. The Chinese government has recently begun to crack down on cryptocurrency miners, which has affected the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. Many environmentalists have stated that the Bitcoin mining process is unsustainable for our Earth. As a result, if there is ever a possibility to campaign for mass crypto acceptance, the mining problem must be addressed first. Before we look at the crypto mining options provided by GoMining, let's have a look at the system itself. The GoMining Company. The GoMining platform is a professional mining organization founded by a small group of foreign investors during the 2017 crypto boom. The GoMining company has data centers all over the world as of the time of press. It also has its own exclusive power consumption infrastructure of approximately 200 megawatts. The majority of the company's profits are used to build additional data centers around the world. Another major amount of the revenue is spent to purchase equipment and improve the infrastructure. According to the GoMining white paper, the project is committed to actions that support sustainable development goals. GoMining gets half of its electricity for data center operations from renewable sources. To avoid environmental harm in the long run, the company intends to use solely sustainable energy use. Traditional crypto mining issues. Although there are numerous drawbacks with crypto mining, such as crypto mining viruses and the possibility of cryptojacking, there are 2 fundamental issues with the process. High energy consumption. Miners must combine numerous application-specific integrated circuits in order to successfully mine a coin. This requires a large power output to be executed. According to a CBS News study, Bitcoin mining alone consumes more power than nearly 150 countries on the Earth. To make matters worse, the majority of their energy sources are not environmentally friendly. The high cost of mining hardware and energy. These application-specific integrated circuits are not cheap, and hundreds of them are required for a mining process. The huge energy consumption is also not inexpensive. As a result, the classic crypto mining process is highly capital-intensive. The GoMining token, GMT, and its solutions. The GoMining coin, GMT, was established as a solution to the challenges associated with traditional mining. Unlike other crypto tokens, each GMT token is backed by real and constantly expanding computer power measured in TH/s and sent via the SHA-256 protocol. Instead of purchasing ASICs for mining, customers can purchase the GMT token, which gives them access to the computing power of the GoMining device fleet. This device fleet is already active in Bitcoin mining and earns daily cash for token holders. The income is earned by the pool to which the processing power is directed. These GMT coins are distributed by a smart contract on either Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. The initial supply of GMT was 100 million, backed by 100,000 TH/s using the SHA-256 protocol. The token supply capacity is increasing all the time. Every week, the team provides new capabilities and awards tokens in proportion to these capabilities. Following the additional issue, the team burns 20% to 90% of the newly issued tokens and redistributes the liberated capacity among other tokens. As a result, the supply capacity of a token increases, resulting in income growth. This raises the mining income from each GMT token. Aside from its crucial function in leading an ecologically responsible crypto mining process, the GMT token is a valuable source of passive income for holders. GMT's supply capacity will be increased numerous times over the next 5 years, according to the business. GoMining's big goal is to provide 20% of the world's BTC mining. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents. Ethereum's price decline may potentially benefit PC gamers. Ethereum, like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, is losing value. Although the cryptocurrency decline is bad news for miners and investors, it may benefit gamers. The decline in cryptocurrency value is a result of the Chinese government's crackdown on large mining operations. Malaysia beefs up its protection against alleged token thefts in the decentralized market. Finally, there are restrictions affecting Binance, which influence the entire cryptocurrency industry and all of its investors. Although cryptocurrency mining has traditionally been undertaken using massive computers, it may now be accomplished using graphics cards. A video card, in theory, performs the same job as a processor. However, decryption of the tokens may take some time. Due to a scarcity of processors for mining BTC or ETH, miners have shifted their focus to other viable options. Ethereum is being mined using graphics processing units, GPUs. What distinguishes Ethereum mining from Bitcoin mining? With Ethereum mining versus Bitcoin, the most useful video cards on the gaming market were rare. Because ETH mining is less sophisticated than Bitcoin mining, a strong processor is not necessary. However, this technique of token farming typically requires a significant amount of processing power from graphics cards. Numerous instances of exorbitant electricity expenditures have been documented as a result of Bitcoin mining and its high energy consumption. However, mining Ether takes computer resources, not an infinite power supply. Will ETH mining become more popular? Bitcoin mining fell as a result of Chinese government restrictions that made obtaining hardware more difficult. Cryptocurrency miners have chosen to continue operations using the Ethereum alternative powered by NVIDIA's RTX series. However, mining ETH is not as profitable as mining BTC in terms of the token's value and scalability. With the surge in Ethereum mining, the prices of graphics cards skyrocketed, affecting all models. Due to its high price on the market, the RTX 3090 series was one of the few video cards to be marketed. This series from NVIDIA features an infinite hash rate, which results in a more efficient mining operation. However, ETH's mining acceptance is dwindling daily as a result of its limited price scalability. Despite the constraints, Bitcoin mining remains the top dog, maintaining its status as the most widely accepted cryptocurrency by interested businesses. The overall cryptocurrency mining market is on hold until Chinese officials reach an agreement with firms. Numerous mining businesses have expanded into neighboring nations or migrated to Iran. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents. I might pump, but I don't dump, says Musk, as Bitcoin recovers. Jack Dorsey, CEO of Square and Twitter, and Elon Musk, Tesla, Doge supporter, held their scheduled chat at today's Bitcoin summit, the B word. Cathie Wood of ARK Invest was also present, and her motivational talk brightened an already sunny day. The virtual group chat was always going to be good about Bitcoin, especially from Dorsey and Wood, who both helped organize the event, but the crypto community was sweating on Musk's point of view. Musk remarked of everyone's favorite citrus-colored coin, not Doge, that it has a lot of potential as a kind of money and information system, as well as the fact that he is a supporter. Aside from SpaceX and Tesla, Musk continued, the three biggest things I own, as an investment, by far are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. I believe in Bitcoin, he stated. It doesn't assist me if the price falls. I may pump, but I do not dump. Musk also revealed that Tesla, as well as his aerospace company SpaceX, still own Bitcoin. What about the environmental disinformation? In terms of the recent pessimism surrounding Bitcoin's consumption of electricity, which was partly sparked by Musk himself, he had a very upbeat response. In terms of Bitcoin's carbon impact, Musk stated that there appears to be a good trend. The Tesla CEO restated his recent stipulation that Tesla would likely resume accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment if it could be demonstrated that Bitcoin miners consume more than 50% green energy. Most likely, Tesla will resume taking Bitcoin as a form of payment, he stated. According to CNBC, new data from the University of Cambridge reveals that Bitcoin's mining geography has improved even before the Chinese miner migration, which is lowering Bitcoin's carbon impact. According to another recent study from the Bitcoin Mining Council, Bitcoin is already 56% mined using renewable energy. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, convened the council. To the moon with Dogecoin? In terms of Dogecoin, Musk confessed that he's partly in it for the memes, which is not surprising. I like how it doesn't take itself too seriously, he added, adding that he also likes the idea of the most ironic outcome, referring to the fantastical notion of Doge becoming the most successful cryptocurrency. The number is increasing. At the time of press, the billionaire chit-chat had helped lift the entire crypto market out of the doldrums of the previous 24 hours. Despite the fact that it was already in far better form than it had been the day before the conference began. The market is currently up 9.05%, flexing in the mirror with a healthier $1.35 trillion market cap. Bitcoin was up 7.96% on the day and was trading at $32,167. According to astute chart watchers, it has already broken back up through critical earlier levels of support at $30,000 and $31,000 and has a short-term shot at reclaiming $35,000 in the short run. Meanwhile, Wellington-based crypto content producer Lark Davis was keeping things in perspective earlier in today's Min rally, reminding us how far we are from all-time highs. It's probably a good thing to remember before switching back to stablecoins and puppy memes. Anything can happen, and it remains to be seen if this minor advancement can be sustained. Shakers and mooners. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, was performing even better than Bitcoin, rising 11% and flirting with the previously favorable $2,000 mark. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents. Digital assets are increasing in popularity, and MasterCard join in with USDC. MasterCard has been exploring blockchain-related use cases for several years, consistent with its tradition of embracing innovative technology to advance cash displacement and financial inclusion. MasterCard has designated the first stablecoin, USD Coin, USDC, 5 months after announcing its intention to integrate chosen stablecoins onto its network. By partnering with Circle to allow Bitcoin to fiat conversions in a pilot initiative, cryptocurrency holders will be able to spend their digital assets at merchants who accept MasterCard. Raj Damodharan, Executive Vice President of Digital Asset and Blockchain Product at MasterCard, stated that the company will make it much easier to convert Bitcoin to fiat because many platforms lack the necessary infrastructure. Swapping a cryptocurrency for a stablecoin and then exchanging the stablecoin for dollars is significantly faster and simpler than exchanging crypto for fiat directly. Certain digital currencies are not easily exchangeable for dollars on some exchanges, however, they can be exchanged for USDC. MasterCard is not unfamiliar with cryptocurrencies and its associated services. MasterCard just added limited cryptocurrency transactions via its cryptocurrency card partners Wirex and Uphold. Those programs, however, covered just the payment and not the settlement. Coins were transformed to fiat currency well in advance of their arrival at the merchant. Assuming that customers have cryptocurrency to spend, MasterCard's program has the potential to fundamentally alter the interaction between store owners and businesses that opt in. Economic and technological development are being shaped by digital assets. They are rapidly establishing themselves as a primary mode of payment throughout the world. On the MasterCard network, cardholders are not solely purchasing crypto assets. Users are utilizing crypto cards to gain access to these assets and convert them to traditional currency for use in transactions. Not all cryptocurrencies will, however, be supported. Numerous cryptocurrencies do not adhere to MasterCard's compliance rules. MasterCard, which is dedicated to bringing safe, secure, and scalable payments to the network, wants to extend that experience to nascent blockchain networks and digital currencies. Stablecoin examination continues, but MasterCard recognizes that this effort is still in its infancy. USDC is a cryptographic token that is classified as a stablecoin. As a pegged stablecoin to the US dollar, it almost always trades at $1 due to the assurance of redemption at a 1-to-1 ratio. While stablecoins are safer than the majority of cryptocurrencies, the United States President's Working Group on Financial Markets has vowed to make recommendations on stablecoin regulation. After a meeting of top federal financial authorities to review use cases and potential hazards, federal officials expressed increased concern about stablecoin growth. Although stablecoins are not regulated, their importance in our economy is growing. Because stablecoins do not experience the same level of volatility as other cryptocurrencies, many organizations testing their use hope they can serve as a gateway for customers to adopt this technology. Although the responsibilities are not totally apparent, the pilot involves Evolve Bank and Trust, and Paxos trust company MasterCard is in talks with Evolve and Metropolitan Commercial Bank about the possibility of issuing crypto cards. MasterCard has the third most blockchain patents and applications. The corporation is a fervent believer in blockchain's disruptive capacity. While thousands of cryptocurrencies lack stability, regulatory compliance, and consumer protections, MasterCard hopes that by making this statement, it is moving closer to the principles of financial inclusion and global prosperity. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents. 6 benefits of cryptocurrency exchanges. Cryptocurrency discussions are increasingly common these days, with everyone appearing to be interested in getting into the crypto industry. As a result, it's not surprising if you wish to start trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, or Ripple. However, in order to buy and trade these cryptocurrencies, you must first register with a cryptocurrency exchange. The cryptocurrency exchange is essentially a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. As a crypto trader, there are numerous benefits to buying and selling cryptocurrencies through crypto exchanges. If you still don't see the point in signing up, here's a guide to help you understand why you should. 1. User-friendly. If you're new to cryptocurrency trading, you should start with a cryptocurrency exchange such as Swift Cryptocurrency Exchange or another online exchange. These exchanges frequently improve their user interfaces in order to provide consumers with a nice and familiar way of trading and investing in cryptocurrency. As a result, you won't be discouraged by the intricacy of trading, which is a problem when purchasing and selling Bitcoin via peer-to-peer transactions and crypto wallets. However, trading on cryptocurrency exchanges is considerably easier because you can easily go into your account, execute transactions through sites and applications, trade, and check your account balances. 2. Reliability. When buying and trading cryptocurrencies, you want to have peace of mind that your money will not end up in the wrong hands. This is precisely what trading on a cryptocurrency exchange provides, thanks to the additional layer of security precautions they implement. As a result, when trading on such exchanges, the security of your transactions is ensured. 3. 24/7 trading. Another benefit of using Bitcoin exchanges is that they are always operational 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you have a busy schedule when the markets are open, crypto exchanges are a great alternative to traditional exchanges. Other cryptocurrency traders do not have an unfair advantage over you because you can purchase or sell your cryptocurrency at any time of day or night. Furthermore, costs may fall during non-peak hours. 4. Transparency. Maintaining transparency is a basic value of all cryptocurrency exchanges, which is why you have access to the crypto order books. As an investor, you must strive to avoid losing money in ways that could have been avoided. This is due to the fact that trading on a cryptocurrency exchange allows you to see the depth of both the purchasing and selling sides of all markets in which you have trading assets. As a result, you have a better understanding of the market's perspective and what to expect after placing a large order. You do not have this edge while trading on traditional exchanges because their order books are usually hidden. As a result, you should only explore cryptocurrency exchanges if they exceed your expectations as a cryptocurrency investor. Cryptocurrency exchanges are generally typically open about how much they will charge you for each transaction. The costs imposed vary from Bitcoin exchange to cryptocurrency exchange, ranging from 0.10% to 4%. These fees are not prohibitively expensive when compared to what you would have been charged by traditional brokers, demonstrating yet another reason why trading on a Bitcoin exchange is an excellent platform. 5. Anonymity. Cybercrime has become a societal threat, and many people are becoming increasingly hesitant to provide sensitive information. Cryptocurrency exchanges recognize this and, as a result, have made it optional to fill out KYC, Know Your Customer, procedures. As a result, you can trade bitcoins while keeping anonymous. 6. Fractional purchasing. Not every trader has the funds to purchase an entire cryptocurrency, with the more desirable ones commanding exorbitant prices. However, thanks to cryptocurrency exchanges, you don't have to worry about not being able to participate in the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. You can buy a fraction of your selected coin by using a cryptocurrency exchange. For example, if you only have $800 to invest in Bitcoin, you can buy fractions of Bitcoins with comparable values rather than a full Bitcoin. As a result, regardless of how much money you have the potential as a small investor to invest in Bitcoin and construct a balanced portfolio. Takeaway. As a newcomer to cryptocurrencies, it's easy to overlook the value of trading on a cryptocurrency exchange. If you've been thinking about it, this post should have showed you why signing up for a Bitcoin exchange is a decision you won't be sorry for. As a result, due to cryptocurrency exchanges, you may enjoy trading cryptocurrencies without encountering too many problems. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.